Landmine split stance with screwdriver. Once again, using a landmine, standing front and back foot on the balls of the feet, staggered. Off the heels, you are going to have your hands close together at the tip of the barbell. You are going to coil and rotate outside the leg in front of you, creating a long side with the back leg and a short side with the front leg. Rotate, coil, pause, reset, rotate, coil, pause, reset, then switch feet for the other side. Remain in a spiraled back leg and a forward shin and bowed front leg.